Ito na nga, patulog ka lang siya.
Ayan na nga, dito na nga kami. Katok-tok ng
flag.
Doon ka. Diyan yung taga-kapes, saboy. Picture. Oo, ma'am. Taga-dumalag, ha? Oo, ma'am. Oh, come. Oh. Boy.
One more, Brian.
Kami po. Oh. Welcome.
Okay.
Proud Ilonggo.
Mga tropo kay Ilonggo. Kay Ilongga. Oo, sir.
Sabi ko kuha, pindot na lang. Magkano na tayo?
Diba?
Oh, ang ganda to, no?
Against the light.
Tubig din sa lalim, oh.
Tubig yun na, delikado.
Alam ko.
Baka malo.
Sabi kanina eh.
Oh. Wag sa snow, sa nagblublo.
Huwag ka malayo dyan. Dito lang, oh, kayo.
Oh.
Kayo muna po.
Okay.
Sige.
Marta.
Ay, let's go, Tio.
Kasi man tayong lahat to.
Oh, tayo na.
Wala tayo.
Sige na, go. No, sige na.
Okay, si Mateo, si Cheese.
No press me.
Press.
Look.
Look, Tio.
1, 2, 3.
Dito naman sa may ano.
Okay, may bonnet.
Sila kuko naman.
Mas may plug sa may pag.
Ano yung tsura ko may bonnet? Saan ka?
Mas may plug daw. No, don't step there.
Maraming kanyon. Kasi dumadami.
Ay, basta.
Doon tayo sa plug.
Parang ano, ha?
Oh. Kaya nga eh.
Sige lang.
Ah.
Tulog eh. Sige. Tulog ka daw eh. Okay kayo naman.
Yung kayo doon, kayo. Tio eh. Tio. Pumarta oh. Look, Tio oh. Tio. See?
Romian, come here.
Okay ba?
Look.
Punta dito. Yan.
Yan.
Kayo ngayon sa banda yan. Tama.
Pasinta na. Ang gadang gadang.
Malapit tayo naman. Sige, doon dito to sa bayan.
Sa bus.
Ah, sa bus.
Ah.
Look at that.
Yan.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, look at.
Stand.
Ah.
Cheesecake. Oh, look at camera.
Pwede mo kasi ipaharap rin para makita natin yung
Malinaw
Oh,
kami.
look at Papa.
Hmm.
Look at Papa.
Ah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Be, picture mo ako sa mga taga Dumalag. Ano? Ah. Oh, dito picture mo ako ba? Doon.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break
Welcome to
of
the Columbia Ice Field. My name is Kim. Field they
whispering
called it Chakatunga, which means big ice
secrets
in
untold.
English. And in the 1900s, they came here by horseback. This could take up to 2 weeks from Lake Louise, so quite a trek to get up here. Then in the 1920s, Brewster Brothers were offering tours as well by horseback. And by the 1950s, Parks Canada gave a Jasper local a permit to have first snowmobile. This one's very similar to the one you see outside of the Starbucks option. The little yellow one with 16 seats, tracks in the front, seats in the back, and it was made by Bombardier, which is a Quebec company. The next updated one in the 1970s was made by the Foremost company. And this one was called the Shaken Windows would open. Very hot and the Terrabus. And this one's very similar to the Ice Explorers you see today. And today's Ice Explorers have large tires with low PSI. So very nice on the glacier with little to no impact.
With that all being said, though, we are going to be approaching what I like to call the world's slowest roller coaster. So we're going to be going down our 28% grade slope here shortly. If you stay on the left-hand side, you'll get a nice view of Mount Athabasca, as well as Ashford Alley on the way down. And if you're sitting on the right-hand side, you get a nice view of Athabasca Glacier, the unnamed lake at the bottom. And if you look
Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the
Where? What underwater? Ooh. How about that white? What's that? What's that? Ice. Ice?
Sa isang batch siya. Diba? May mga batch akong college nursing. Hindi ako alam mo. Ayan. Sila yung mga, kumbaga sa mga sa class na yan. Sila yung mga highest level. I mean, class na yan. Yung after college, nag-8 class na kaya ang bilis dati ang talaga pasakalan. Kaya namin nila eh. Sabi ko ba dito is after college. Kasi after college talaga.
Hindi tayo.
Hindi na sila experience dito sa Pilipinas.
Grabe.
Oo. Siguro yung lagyan natin ng 15 years natin. Kailan years and half years. Oo. Iba yung orasyon natin.
Nice. It's fun.
Did you all have a great time on the glacier this afternoon?
Yeah.
Excellent. I am very happy to hear that. That makes me very happy. The weather has been cooperating very well today, so you got the best of the best. It wasn't too windy, and you got very great views all around. So I did get a question from a guest. They were asking how much how much ice actually we were standing on out there. So we were standing on about 150 meters or about 500 feet worth of ice.
100 meters cubic.
You may have wondered what it would be like to camp out on a glacier. Typically it's not this nice. Typically it's a bit more windy, wet, and cold. A man named Norman Colley actually did that though in the late 1800s.